Namaste and welcome everyone. My soul circle. My name is Ronak Gajjar and today we are going to do a quick guided meditation on I am, aham. So beginning with, you can either sit with your back straight, shoulders relaxed. You can keep with your eyes closed or you can keep them open, softly open, half open like this. Now bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to slow it down. As soon as you focus on the breath, it naturally becomes more smoother. Inhale and exhale. Breathing in. Now, mentally repeat your full name. Example, I am Ronak Gajjar. Repeat your full name mentally a couple of times. Now, breathe in. Exhale. Inhale a little more. Exhale. Now, bring your attention to your worries, all your stress, trauma, tension which you have faced today or in the past, which has given you the biggest hurt or wound of this time. Keep your eyes closed and breathe in and visualize these events, these situations one by one. Exhale softly. Now, move your attention to I am Ronak. Just your first name and drop your last name now. Inhale softly and exhale slowly. Keep repeating your first name, I am, and your first name mentally a few times. Now, invite those childhood happy memories, all the memories which brought you joy and happiness, all the little things which you did when you were a kid, which made you a lot happier. Invite those memories, those situations, those events one by one in your mind as you inhale and softly exhale. Breathing in deeper. Bring a gentle smile on your face as you watch these situations and events in your mind now. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Now, bring your attention to the mantra, to the word I am. Drop your name, no labels attached, just I am, or mentally repeat aham. Breathe in. Aham. Inhale. Aham. Keep repeating this mentally a couple of times. As you feel comfortable, slowly breathe in and gently rub your palms together. Cup your palms on your eyes, on your face, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoyed a quick meditation on the chant aham or I am meditation, what we did today. If you enjoyed my video, do not forget you can hit the like buttons, share it, subscribe it, and also click the bell icon. Thank you. Namaste.